Hi to everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the third launch pad of ISRO, which got approved by the Union Cabinet for establishment at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh for future spacecraft. Also, we will going to discuss about the NGLV rocket, which was also related to the third launch pad. Let's discuss about these two topics in detail in the next upcoming slides. Coming to know about third launch pad, the Union Cabinet approves the establishment of third launch pad at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. This project envisages for the next generation launch vehicle, that is NGLV of ISRO, and also support as a standby launch pad for the second launch pad at Sriharikota. It has launch infrastructure for heavier NGLV. It can assure and increases launch capacity for LVM-3 launch vehicles. It enhanced launch capacity and redundancy for Gaganyaan missions. It has a scalable infrastructure for future human spaceflight, including Indian crewed landing on moon. Next, scope of project of third launch pad. It is designed as a universal and adaptable as a possible that can support not only NGLV but also LVM-3 vehicles with semi-cryogenic stage as well as scaled up configuration of NGLV. Establishes launchpad facilities of jet deflector, launch tower and lightning suppression systems. Establishing propellant storage and servicing facilities for liquid methane and cryo fuel. Establish range systems and checkout interfaces, instrumentation and control, electronic support facilities. Next, the fund and duration for third launch pad. Total fund for this is of 3,984.86 crore of Indian rupee, and the duration for establishment of TLP is of 48 months or 4 years. This project will boost the Indian space ecosystem by enabling higher launch frequencies and the national capacity to undertake human spaceflight and space exploration missions. Next, to discuss about new generation launch vehicle, that is NGLV. NGLV, also known as Surya, is ISRO's next step towards achieving the self-reliance and enhancing its launch capabilities. It is a three-stage medium to heavy class launch vehicle which marks several firsts of ISRO. Notably, it will be the ISRO's first launch vehicle entirely powered by liquid fuel. I repeat, entirely powered by liquid fuel, setting it apart from existing launch vehicles like PSLV, GSLV and LVM-3 vehicles. It is a partially reusable, cost-effective, commercially viable launch vehicle to maintain goals defined in an expanded vision of Indian space program. It is used for operating Bharatiya Antariksha Station and for the Indian crewed landing on moon by 2040. It boosts the Indian space ecosystem in terms of capacity for commercial missions in operational phase. You can observe in this video, this is the NGLV rocket. There are three stages. The first stage is of LM445 and the second stage is of LM120 and the third stage is of C32. It has a payload of 5-meter payload fairing with landing legs and an engine cluster. Next to the salient features of NGLV, it has a maximum payload capability of 30 ton to low Earth orbit and a 12 ton to geostationary transfer orbit. It is a three-stage vehicle with liquid oxygen, liquid methane and cryo propulsion engines. It has a reusable booster stage with clustered engines, 3x payload capability at compared to 1.5x to LVM-3. It has a capacity of 1094 ton of liftoff mass. The total cost for this NGLV is about 8,239 crore of Indian rupee. It has a scalable configuration to support future crewed lunar missions. So this is an LMV1100 engine. Next, to discuss about the stages of NGLV, there are three stages as we discussed earlier. Coming to the stage 1, the length of stage 1 is approximately about 55 meter with a width of 5 meter. It has a propellant load of 445 tons. It contains fuel of liquid oxygen or liquid methane. It has 9 engine of LMV1100 model. The stage 1 is a reusable stage. Next to the stage 2, it has a length of approximately 14 meter with a width of 5 meters. It has a propellant load of 120 tons and a fuel of liquid oxygen or liquid methane. It has twin engine of LME1100 model. The stage 2 is not a reusable stage. Next to the stage 3, it has a length of about approximately 7 to 8 meters. The width is of 5 meters. The propellant load of stage 3 is of 32 tons and the fuel is of liquid oxygen or liquid hydrogen, and the engine is a single engine of CE20 model. The stage 3 is not a reusable stage. Next to the this is India's next generation launch vehicle, that is NGLV. In this we can see two models, that is of height of 88 meters or 92 meters with a mass of 700 tons. This is for low Earth orbit as well as geosynchronous transfer orbit. Thank you. If you are satisfied with our content, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you. Jai Hind.